What's up beautiful people, this is Tanisha. In order to watch more fun, self-love and styling videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and also do not forget to comment down below. So after a very successful video where I took you along with me when I was posing for my Instagram pictures, this video is going to be completely dedicated to selfie poses. In case you've not seen that video, go and check that out right now. The link is down in the description box. I've given really easy tips and tricks which are going to be very easy to apply. This video is divided into two parts. First, I'm going to tell you the 4 factors which are very important before taking any selfie. And second, we are going to see the 7 most trendy Instagram selfie poses. And also I'm going to give you a lot of examples so that you can easily understand them. In case you want to skip to the second part of the video, I have provided a timestamp in the description box below. So you can click on the description box and click on the timestamp and completely jump to the next part of the video. First factor is lighting. I know you've heard it all the time, but I cannot stress enough how important lighting is. So basically you have 2 sources of lighting, that is natural source and the artificial source. The artificial source includes of the studio setup or the ring light that you usually see in the TikTok video. The second lighting is the sunlight, so you can use either of the 2 options. So sunlight is always the best option and it gives a very natural exposure to the pictures and it makes your skin look completely glowy and that golden hour time. So you don't have to be using the sunlight when it's completely above your head. We'll use it when we have the slanting rays or the famous golden hour, that is around the afternoon time, that is around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. The sunlight is the best. The best place to take sunlight pictures is around your balcony or around your window. And the second one is finding your right angle or your right profile. So I don't know about everybody else, but at least I have a side of my face which I think looks more prettier or comes more better on the camera. So you can find out your face or the profile or the side of your face which you think comes out more flattering when you're taking a picture. Now coming down to the camera angle is actually a very tricky part of the selfie game. So we will be seeing the different angles and I will be telling you the better options of that. Let me get a phone. I don't want to be using extreme low angles or extreme high angles for taking our selfies. When you are taking a very low angle, you get an illusion of double chin. Your chin or your face or your jawline looks very broad, so you do not want to do that. Instead, what you can do is just keep it slightly on the side of the face and almost in the level of your ears or almost in the level of your lips. So this will give a better angle to it. Well, I've seen a lot of people doing this, taking the selfies from 90 degrees or 75 degrees, and the phone is literally at this level and you are looking it up from this side face. And trust me, I personally hate this very much because it gives illusion of a very big forehead and very big eyes, and your body looks comparatively very small, like comparatively very small. So it makes the whole picture look so unreal. What you have to do is to take your camera on your eye level and then pose accordingly. If you do not want to take your photos from the front angle, if you do not want this profile and you want the side profiles, you can turn your camera to the sideways and then tilt your face only and not the body, which is the best way to do it. So your shoulder remains here and you just tilt your face this side, which gives a very beautiful cut to your shoulder part. And the 4th factor, which is more of a tip actually, is to make use of your hand or a prop when you are doing a selfie. So in case when you're taking a selfie and you feel like something is like very idle and it doesn't look good enough, you can just put your hand on your face or something like that. I've done a lot of research and I've seen that these are the 7 selfie poses which are very much on trend right now, at least for 2021. So we will start with the first one. First one is the thinking pose. Yeah, when you do not have anything to do, I like to call it a thinking pose. You just have to keep your hand like this and just face the camera and take the selfie and be like, I don't know, I am a wandering vagabond in this life and I am posing for a selfie. hair is your only accessory available to you when you're taking a selfie. This is a free accessory, so use it, guys. You can run down your hand through your hair just like this, or maybe just give a flick of your hair while you're taking a selfie. Or the best way is just to rest your hand over your head, which looks actually that you're resting your hand over your head, but actually you're making use of the head to create a messy look around your face, just like this. Oh my god. So the third pose is what I like to call it as a headache pose. So what you have to do is fake a headache, and now when you're taking a selfie, just fake like you have a headache, and then put your finger, one finger or two fingers on your head, and just face the camera like this as if you have a headache. And also an extension to this is to keep your fingers like this and to stretch the eyes over like this, because it gives a very snatched look to your face. My most favorite, because when you are under the sunlight, you are not only using your hand to block the sun or the extra exposure from the sun, at the same time you are creating a natural shadow on your face which looks very artistic. What I like to call playing with shadows and sunlight. This is not more of a pose, but more of using the light to enhance your selfies. So you're going to find out a place or a background where the sunlight is hitting only on the certain part of your face and the rest part of the face does not have the sunlight. So it creates a very beautiful game of the lighting and the shadows. Sixth selfie is a half face pose where you are not going to include your full face, you're just going to take half of your face. You can do one thing, that you can either take the full face when you're taking the selfie and then edit it and crop the rest of the part, or you can completely take only half of the face. The sunglasses poses. So you are not only wearing the sunglasses, but you're actually trying to play with the sunglasses. You're going to use your hand or your fingers to little bit play around with the sunglasses and pose accordingly. Like this is the camera and you are going to make use of the sunglasses. Either you put them down like this and then try to look through the sunglasses, or you can just simply keep your finger on the side of your sunglasses and give a side angle. So guys, finally this is the end of the video. I hope you guys found it very easy and you can understand it properly. I tried to include as many examples as possible so that आप लोगों को अच्छे से वो समझ में आ जाए and you can apply it nicely on your photos. In case you're clicking any pictures using these tips and tricks, do tag me on my Instagram account. I will love to see your creativity and I will also give you a shout out on my page. And till then, see you, tata, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, guys, and also comment down below along with your Instagram ID for a shout out on every Saturday.